Cash.
She back. I wish I could lift one eyebrow, but I can't. One day I'm just gonna draw one all the way up here so I can look like I'm the Rock or something. Because I can't do it myself. So I'm gonna draw it. Darling. It never works out for me. I don't know what I want to do. This is probably going to be the day that you all see me cry. Because that does not look right at all. Darling, honey. I don't want that crap found. I really don't. Just wipe all this crap off. Ah! Oh, I'm not okay. I got some of my eye. Stupid freaking stuff. So I guess I'm gonna test things on my arm because that's what smart people do. Let me start being smart now, right? Okay. So I'm gonna go with this instead. Can you see it? Yeah, that. Yep. And I probably even use this as a blush because it's cute. I'm just looking to mesh right now, but it's okay. It's alright, you know. Okay, this is what I mean when I said I was gonna put blush all over my face. And I am looking to do a glossy lid. I don't know if I should be doing that before or after I put on lashes though. So I don't know what's supposed to go first, but I do want to put on my lashes first. And I'm using these lashes. These lashes are so cute. Anyway, and while I'm waiting for them to dry, I'm gonna put my highlighter. I'm gonna use my rose gold. My rose gold highlighter, honey. My arm just looks like I went to I don't know where I went, but it looks like I went somewhere. So you have one going down. The nose, you're not gonna go all the way down, honey, because listen. And you're gonna boop boop. Okay, now we're going heavy on this because after we spray, we're going to blend it out. I might have to reapply here after I put that gloss on, but we're going to put it here anyway. Okay. Yeah, you see that bling bling? Anyway, see it? You wanna join blinging? Okay, so like unedited, I took like not long to do this because like I'm really popping, you know. I'm talking about my eyelashes. Everything else I took like a really long time, but it's okay. This lash might act stupid, but it's okay. We're gonna leave it because, honey, I don't have time for you. I don't have time for you and your negativity, lash. So you can sit there and act all crazy. I ain't gonna even give you my time. Like, I still look crazy with all this highlight, but we're gonna blend it out soon. Where is my lip liner? First of all, my lips drier than Mugga Nugget. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. That one is irritating me. Like what? Darling, what are you doing?
What the f? I'm playing.
Stop playing. Black lip liner, cause you know I can't find my brown lipstick. Okay, so I'm gonna just go to the lid, I guess. Yeah, I don't even like this lip gloss anymore, so I'm using this one. Just apply it over that lid, darling. Okay, y'all see it? Okay. See, okay, I use this because I hate the smell of this lip gloss, but I can smell it. Oh. This is the glossiness. Oh, we gotta make that even now. But I'm gonna make it sparkly because I got this sparkly gloss that I never use. What you wanna do, Sean? What you wanna do? I don't know. I don't know. What you wanna do, Cash? What you wanna do? I don't know. I don't know. I don't. I don't know. Only a little bit, cause this gloss go crazy. Why are you trying to get my video? Say hi and go away.
Oh, I can make a cameo?
Hi. This is my little brother, yo. As you can see, he's fairly annoying and ugly. But yet here we are. Okay, I sprayed my face and we about to, where's the, okay, here's my blending brush. I can't find my brown lipstick. Wait, is this my brown lipstick? What happened? Mommy! Oh, that lip gloss smells good, man. All the Victoria's Secret lip glosses be smelling like heaven. And I like this one too because it smells like coconuts. And I like everything that smells like coconuts. As you can see, I'm done the makeup.
Cash.